Sean Khalifa, man.
2 Chainz. Money's the motivation, money's the conversation. You on vacation, we getting paid, so we on vacation. I did it for the fam. It's whatever we had to do, it's just who I am. Yeah, it's the life I chose. Gunshots in the dark, one eye closed. And we got it cooking like a one-eye stove. You can catch me kissing my girl with both eyes closed. Yeah, perfecting my passion, thanks for asking. Couldn't slow down, so we had to crash it. You use plastic, we bout cash. I see some people ahead that we gon' pass, yeah.
I never fear death or dying. I only fear never trying. I am whatever I am. Only God can judge me now. One shot, everything rides on tonight. Even if I've got 3 strikes, I'ma go for it. This moment, we own it. I'm not to be played with because it can get dangerous. See these people I ride with. This moment, we own it.
And the same ones that I ride with be the same ones that I die with. Put it all out on the line with. If you're looking for me, you can find wit in the new car or the crown with. My new broad does a fine chick in the weather squad. I'm down with. Ain't no way around it. What you say? Tell me what you say. Working hard, repping for my dogs. Do this every day. Taking off, looking out for all. Making sure we ball like the mob. All you do is call. Catch you if you fall. Young Khalifa.
I never fear death or dying. I only fear never trying. I am whatever I am. Only God can judge me now. One shot, everything rides on tonight. Even if I've got 3 strikes, I'ma go for it. This moment, we own it.
I ride or die
Not to
for
be
mine.
played with because it can get dangerous. See,
I ride
these
or die
people
for
I
mine.
ride with. This moment,
Here we go.
own it.
This the biggest day of my life. We got big guns. Been graduated from knives. It's the day of the life, and I'm ready to ride. Got the spirit, I'm feeling like a kill inside. Oh, financial outbreak. I'm free, but I ain't out yet. Ride with the plug, so I'm close to the outlet. At the red light rim, sitting offset. I look better on your girl than an outfit.
Stuck to the plan. Always said that we would stand up, never ran. We the fam and loyalty never change up. Been down since day one, look at where we came from. Jumping out on anybody who try to say something. One thing about it, got a problem, I got the same one. Money rolls, we fold. Plenty clubs, we close. Follow the same code. Never turn our backs, our cars don't even lose control.
Shot, everything rides on tonight. Even if I've got 3 strikes, I'ma go for it. This moment, we own it.
I ride or die
Not to
for
be
mine.
played with because it can get dangerous. See,
I ride
these
or die
people
for
I
mine.
ride with. This moment, we own it. This moment, we own it.
I ride or die for mine. I'm ride or die material. One life to live, so here we go.
This moment, we own it.
Yeah, I'm down in Pittsburgh at the Golden Triangle, right next to the fountain. At the rivers, count 'em. But now that we got ya, if you can drive round here, you can make it anywhere. There's construction everywhere. Might see me on the south side, grubbing some Promantes, cranking B94 in my riders in the Plancy. We won't mention baseball, but PNC Park's great. City of the champions, Steelers and the Pins play. Try to get a ticket and you get on the waiting list. Only in the Burgh, it's a party you don't wanna miss. The skyline from the incline, blinging like a supermodel. We call it our home, the land of the big ketchup bottle. It is what it is, the 412, it's a hometown. And everybody living here is happy it's their own town. Just look at the lights on the postcard that I mailed ya, as the Ohio meets Allegheny and Monongahela. But let me ask you, your city win the Super Bowl and Stanley Cup last year? Well, in Pittsburgh, the sports are entertaining because they always win, so you never hear complaining. Out on the riverbanks, you might catch me coasting. Iron City tailgate party food is always roasting. The city has that crazy cool, kinda special, got your back. Station Square at Hard Rock right out by the train tracks. All kinds of old school, made lots of history. Don't believe that? Google Pittsburgh on your PC. It's not too big, not too small, it's just the right size. Get schooled at Pitt, then you're putting down some old fries. Out the tunnel, this will hit you with the bling bling. As soon as you arrive, you can see around the whole thing. We've always been here, and we always will be. And you've been told, talking shop on Pittsburgh, this could never get old. James about that check, boy.
Ain't got no drama in my life, ain't got no time for childish shit. You say you with me, then be with me. Can't be playing on that fence. They tried to out me, I ain't going, no, I'm gangin' nothing else. Shout out my that be rollin', know some real ones who gon' step. I got a crazy money habit, hundreds on me, can't control it. I be scoring every season, just real, ain't gotta show it. Treat my pen just like a poet, I could take her with a verse. My grandma passed, I wasn't there, I would've jumped right in. I heard some niggas turn they back on me, and now I know they want a chance. They know I tried to lend a hand, but I can't take care of no man. I had to sacrifice a lot, ain't had no plan, I played the cards. Got a message from my ex, she said keep going hard. I don't need no drama in my life right now. Lost some homies to the streets, but I know they smiling down. Ain't gotta ask, no, it's a heaven for a street. Just one more time with my dogs, wish I could speak with them. Hey, I don't need no drama in my life right now. Lost some homies to the streets, but I know they smiling down. Ain't gotta ask, no, it's a heaven for a street. Just one more time with my dogs, wish I could speak with them. I got this feeling in my gut and I know what it's about. I held the tears, you held me down when I was down and out. Then told me keep it, I ain't get a chance to pay you back. A sucker took you from us, I just want you back. You got me tossing in my sleep for a week, I didn't eat. Now we got the whole pile, wish that I could share a piece. You know that you my dog and that's for life and I won't change it. Remember all them hoes you had, them goofy bitches basic. Got the wake, I couldn't face it, I was too caught in the matrix. Started getting that real money, everybody started changing. Had to see it for myself, I can't f with y'all. I wish heaven had a phone, I would call my dog. I don't need no drama in my life right now. Lost some homies to the streets, but I know they smiling down. Ain't gotta ask, no, it's a heaven for a street. Just one more time with my dogs, wish I could speak with them. Hey, I don't need no drama in my life right now. Lost some homies to the streets, but I know they smiling down. Ain't gotta ask, no, it's a heaven for a street. Just one more time with my dogs, wish I could speak with them. Hey, hey.
This concludes for this video. Click on the bell, like, comment, subscribe, share, and be sure to watch other videos on this channel. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.